In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI Image Generator. So start by opening up Canva, then in the left panel, go to Canva AI. So here, click on this text box and select image. And now here, type a detailed prompt describing the image you want. For example, futuristic city at night with neon lights and flying cars. Or you can also look for minimalist workspace with soft lighting and aesthetic setup and press the submit button. You can even choose a style like realistic, illustration, 3D, or painting, depending on the look you want. Once generated, Canva will create multiple image options for you in seconds. Just pick the one you like and use it in your design. Once inside the editor, you can resize, crop, or edit it like any other element. And if it's not perfect, you can always refine your prompt and try again for better results. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!